Hi, I'm Dill and welcome to Spotted Motors, and today you find me in unknown territory. So I know a lot about different makes and models, and I've got a sort of very broad sort of knowledge of all sort of makes and models and everything like that. But today I'm going to go meet Craig. He's a really good friend of the channel, really good friend of mine as well, and I'm going to go meet him as he has bought a Land Rover. The car's been set up for around about 13 years, I think he said, so I thought it's really good for me to go and learn a little bit more about them and also follow his progress of getting this thing back on the road. So I'm going to do the short 20-minute drive to go and meet him, and then we'll get the camera out and let's have a look. I'll see you there. Right, made it to Craig's. Greeted by the guard dog. And here it is. Well, I'll be honest with you. I love it already. I do, I genuinely do.
Good car. Well, will be a good car.
An absolute icon in the motoring world. Ownership of how long now? How long have you owned it?
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
But we've got shiny bits on it already. So, briefly spoke to you. Sat off-road for how long? 13, 12 years?
12 years. It's been off the road 12 years.
Yeah.
But not off the road.
Yeah.
It's been used as a quad bike on a farm in Wales. So
Yeah.
yeah, same owner from new. Lived its entire life on the same farm, and now it lives here.
And then
Forever.
I like that already. What story it's got?
Yeah. Same farm its whole life.
Yeah.
Our boy who owned it died. His wife wanted rid. Come on with my trailer.
And running? Is it running and driving?
Runs. Did drive-ish.
Yeah, yeah.
Ish. I don't know how it drove, but it drove.
Yeah.
But yeah, runs. Runs. It's had a new engine.
New engine?
Land Rover, about 15-year-old.
New engine from Land Rover?
From Land Rover.
So what's in it now?
300 TDI.
300 TDI.
I had a 300 TDI.
Yeah.
Then something must have happened to that. I'm judging by the neglect on the rest of it. You probably neglected it. And then, yeah, new engine.
And what's the mileage on the clock?
16 years ago. 198.
Yeah.
But I think it was on probably 140, 150 when the new engine was put in.
Yeah.
So realistically, I don't know what's on it, but even if it's on 200,000 miles,
It doesn't matter, does it? It's not. It's not made for low mileage, are they?
Oh.
And you've started ripping seats and stuff out already.
Yeah.
Cleaning up, sort of, however long on usage on farm. Obviously, it's been.
Yeah. The rat's nest's gone. That's not for you.
I'll wipe the lens.
Yeah. It's gonna go back pretty much standard, just new standard, recovered and
Different steering wheel.
yeah, different steering wheel. That's probably the only thing I'll change because that's like a bus wheel. But yeah, nothing works. So
The only way is up.
the only way is up. Yeah, the only way is up. Oh, the interior light works. That's about it, really. Wind your windows, they'll never break.
No.
He says. Yeah.
And they're a treat, aren't they? Curved window.
Oh, that's the best thing about it.
Yeah.
Best thing
Not
about it.
cracked.
Not cracked, it's just more.
Yeah.
Yeah, need some new rubbers, but that's the best thing about it, I think, the curved window. Slidey back window.
Slidey back window, you love that.
Slidey back window. Needs a new windscreen, but that's the least of my worries, I think. Yeah.
So you've started on the front end already?
Yeah, watch your head. Yeah, front end, once I get the front end boxed off,
Yeah.
I need new hubs and stub axles. That stub axle's actually alright, but the other side's mullered. Yeah, so new calipers, hubs, stub axles, get it driving, and then I'll worry about steering arms and things like that.
Yeah.
For now, main thing is get it to an MOT.
Yeah, get it rolling.
Get it rolling, get it to an MOT.
And who's the go-to parts place with Landy's? Obviously, it's pretty. I'm not a big Landy sort of knowledge guy, so
I feel like Britpart seem to have a lot of good parts. Land Rover .net.
Yeah.
That's where the most recent order's gone in. But there's hundreds of them.
Yeah.
The parts are so readily available. You can
pick and choose what you want.
Pick anything. Yeah. There's aftermarket, original, anything. Anything's you can get anything. I mean, this had a new wing at some point in its life. That's a new wing because it's got the new style indicators on it.
Yeah.
Compared to the other side, but really it's.
Again, wouldn't have noticed.
You wouldn't have noticed.
No.
You don't notice until you notice, and then, yeah.
And what's your goal? What's your plan?
Well, I get married next year, so wedding car. That's the end goal.
Yeah.
So whether it looks like this or it's all painted, I don't know, but as long as it's on the road and driving and there's an interior in it.
And what's that?
That's what we're worried
18 months away.
18 months away.
Yeah.
17 months away anyway. 17 months now. We're getting there, but yeah.
Well, what we'll do, this is a nice introduction for me. We'll do a bit of a vlog on it, and every month or couple of months we'll nip back, see how we're getting on, and
make it a bit of a series there.
Exactly, yeah. Be good for me because I don't know nothing about them. I love them. And it'll just be nice to follow it on, right the way through to like MOT to getting it how you want it.
Yeah.
Absolutely mint.
Yeah, it'll be right, won't it?
Yeah, too right it will be. Absolutely magic. So nice job, nice short and sweet. Introducing the Landy to Spottedmotors, and next time you see it, hopefully the front end's somewhere near.
Yeah, hopefully it's the other way around.
Yeah.
Hopefully the back end's in the sky.
Yeah. Perfect.
And half the chassis cut off it.
Oh yeah, we didn't mention that bit.
No, it's got a few holes.
But again, with stuff like this, you're going to expect it, aren't you?
Been covered in shite for 30 years, hasn't it? So it's going to have a few holes in it. Yeah. Mint.
Craig, thank you very much, mate.
Yep.
And I'll see you in a couple of months' time.
Yep.
And we'll see how we're getting on.
Yeah, we'll see how we go.
Magic.
Hopefully we've progressed a bit.
Oh, I'm sure you will, mate. I'm sure you will.
Yeah.
Top job.
Hang on.
Keep smiling.
It's going to take a lot to keep smiling at this.
I just got back from Craig's, and I have to say I absolutely love the Landy. I love the story behind it. I love the reason for doing it as well. And yeah, Craig has definitely got the Spottedmotors backing. So this is going to be sort of like a part one. We're going to definitely follow the Landy along, follow Craig along, and see how we get on with the build. And yeah, I'll be pitching in and helping out when I can as well as filming and documenting the sort of the build. So yeah, massive thanks to Craig for getting involved, and to anybody else out there that wants to subscribe, please get subscribed. Really small, slow growing channel, so yeah, we could do with a few more subscribers, so that'd be absolutely ace. But yeah, apart from that, thank you very much for watching. I've been Spottedmotors.